Hi everyone, Lindy from the Lunchbox Queen here. These rice stick makers are just about my favourite gadget at the moment, so I want to show you how easy they are to make. As always, I've made up my sushi rice using the instructions on this packet. Okay, so we'll just get the rice stick maker, pop in some rice. You really don't need to be fussy about this at all. Pop on the top and press it down. Then tip out your rice stick. Now we're going to get creative with some nori. So this little kit comes with heaps of different things. You can make a panda, a cat. I think we're going to go with hearts today. This is the nori silicone cutting mat. So we'll grab some nori. And I'm just going to press down firmly until you can't hear the cracking anymore. These little cutouts you can use to decorate a rice stick as well. Okay, I'm going to put my rice stick on the top and roll it up. That's it. Super, super easy. And then just add it in into the lunchbox with a little bottle of soy sauce. Usually it comes out a lot neater. I'm just trying to do it really quick for the video. Anyway, you can find all these things on thelunchboxqueen.co.nz. Thanks for watching.